Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now choose Pair New Device and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. So when I click and wait, I can see that my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tapping on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one though by choosing Pair New Device, clicking on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!